My cooking stuff is just here. Got myself some chicken. Add a little final touch, some wine in it.
What type of wine is that? Red wine, right?
Yeah, red wine.
What are the ingredients you got in that chicken?
A lot of ingredients. We got tomato, mushroom, soy sauce, hot sauce. And you get some pepper on this. You ran out of pepper or something? They ran out of pepper. Oh, it's garlic. I'm thinking about throwing some garlic on that too. More peppers.
People on Twitter want to know why black rockers shoot each other. No one is on the white rockers. I mean, I can't answer that. There's a reason for that. I mean, man, I can speculate just off the top of my head.
Hey Kenny, thanks for the background sound, dude.
Right with 2 hours as we roll along.
All good. It's all good.
Ready to go? Alright, here's the final touch on this chicken Vietnamese delight. Or Vietnamese chicken delight.
Wrap this up for foil.
U.S. attorney in the district that I was arrested at the time, the age of 9 years, along with the judge and along with
There you go. That's it.
they came up.
All you need. You want to keep the heat inside. You oven this sucker, make it a lot faster.
No one has done it for white rockers or country singers.
Now I'll leave this in the fridge, let it sit there for a while, and then I cook later on for lunch.
Alright.
Just off the top of my head, I mean, our music was born in an environment and a neighborhood where this is a common activity. You know, that's kind of like, you know, white person, chopstick sandwich, all day, this was one thing I would have to do, this, that, and the other, the two things like that. Exactly. It's just, you know, it's like common bread.
Alright, man. That's it. I gotta eat.